Hi guys, so yeah, as I said, we're gonna put a couple of videos of R60-7 project. So now I hope we have everything. Uh, I just did the carbs, so I changed the float gasket and needles, put the new needles in both of them, and now I figure out that I'm missing. In the right one, I'm missing the small pipe for choke. I hope I didn't lost it, but I will check on the older videos. So here, choke will probably not work fine. I just put out this old gasket, and put the new one in. And bearing like this is the from the old one, but bearing like this is in the fridge. So I will heat this up and it should slide right away in. Here everything is ready to put this one in, although I'm not sure how, as I don't have something like that to push it in. I need to check some videos on internet, to see is there some good way to push it in, and then we can assemble the rear shaft drive. Everything here is really nice. You see the patterns, they are almost perfect and not much wear on them. These are notorious police bikes here in ex-Yugoslavia. They are like really rarely driven, and I think this bike have some 20-30,000 kilometers. So everything here should be right. We have this gasket too, and we will put everything back in, put the oil in, put the rear tire on the bike. I just finished these foot pegs, put both new ones. And yeah, I believe the front brake, something was messy there, so I removed the tank and played a little bit with that master cylinder that is under the tank. And now front brake working fine, and everything should be ready then, to test drive it. If that test drive go well, we'll put the registration on and we can actually drive it for a little bit longer and see what will come up next, as I really believe it will be probably a couple of more issues. But for now, it's going really well. Hope I will not fucked up anything. Here it's quite easy, with heat to remove this shaft here and the bearing. And you will have a little problem with this, I don't know how to remove it, not to destroy it as I did here. But it was really bad as it is, so. And I put the new one with this, with 32. Oh no, yes, 32 millimeter socket, and it went in nice. I hope everything is okay there. So yeah, we'll put it together, put the rear tire on. And yeah, battery, I will take new gel battery just to not go back on the old one that is, sitting for too long. Me and my brother decided we will put the new battery on. It's 115 euros, 30 amp hours. So yeah, almost the car battery go in there. And then we should, crank it and see, did we miss something? I really hope it will start and I could ride it this summer here. So yeah, let's hope so. Cross my fingers, and let's hope everything will be fine. See you guys.